So welcome back to my channel. If you guys don't know me, my name is Evelyn and I am one of the beauty influencers. I review makeup, beauty products, skincare. I do makeup tutorials and basically just share my life with you guys. This hair is bugging me. Finally it's out. Today fall FabFit Fun fall box. So for the delay, so this is my FabFit Fun fall box. I received my box earlier today. I only just broke the seal, but I haven't opened the box or looked inside just to see what products I have. So we're gonna do this together. So I'll go through I'll go through each product from my box to show you exactly what I received, and I will tell you which items I customized in my box and blah blah blah. So if you guys don't know, I am a FabFit Fun affiliated, so I do have a discount code, and also if you are new to FabFit Fun box, you will also get 5% discount. Oh no, wait, 10% discount. So with my code and my link, you can save up to $10. That's like 20% discount on your first purchase. So if you are not a FabFit Fun member and you want to join them and you want more detailed information, so this video is just for you guys. So all the details, all the website direct link, my affiliated link, and also my discount code will be mentioned in the description box below, and I will write down in the screen somewhere here, but that will only stay on the screen for a couple of seconds, so it's best for you to just read through the description. So if you have any questions regarding anything in this video, you can always leave them in the comment section below, and I will answer all your questions to my best ability anyway. So before we start the video, if you're new to my channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell, so every time I'll post a video you will get a notification. Also, if you are already subscribed and you haven't click the notification bell, please do click the notification bell, otherwise you will miss out on all the future videos. And if you like this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions, you can always ask me about anything, my life, my family, my makeup techniques, anything. I'm happy to talk about anything and everything. So let's not just waste any more time and get into the box. A magazine in my box. If you are already a FabFit Fun member, you know what to expect in your box and when you receive it. But if you are new and watching this video and thinking about getting one, so for you guys, you will always get a magazine, and this magazine has all the products which they send you in this box, like how to use it or what its purpose for, so all that stuff. I like reading through this magazine because it gives me an idea if I'm not sure how to use that product. So I like it. Some people might find it like waste, but I like reading magazines, and sometimes there are really good tips in these magazines too. So it's worth reading it, actually, thinking about it. So let's just get into the box. So I'm going to open the paper. So these are all the items in my box, and I'm gonna go through each one of them with you guys to show you exactly what I got. So you can see it's this Harper and Airy is the brand. It's a juice cleanse, and it's this exfoliating sugar cubes. So this is how it looks like, and it's sugar cubes for the exfoliation. Now I'm gonna go into the magazine because I never seen this product before. I never received it before. I believe I actually saw it when I was going through the customization, but I don't know what is it for. So let's just have a look. So they said it's the benefits are for this particular product. I'm just going to read it through the magazine. It's right here. Harper and Airy exfoliating sugar cubes in juice cleanse. Benefits: exfoliates and nourishes the entire body. So you can use this one in anywhere on your body, from face to your body to your feet to your hand, wherever you want to use it. How to use: crush 1 cube into hand and gently massage onto wet skin in circular motion in the bath or shower. So now this is something interesting, because they are just saying 1 cube and just gently massage. I don't know if 1 cube would be enough for the whole body or not, but I'm very curious to try it. As I said, I've never used this brand before and I've never tried anything like this before, so I am very curious about this one. So I might try this tomorrow morning and let you know what my thoughts are about this. So if you're not following me on Instagram, I'll write down the handle somewhere here. Please do follow me on Instagram, because sometime or most of the time I do review products on my Instagram stories, and they always are like products like these, which needs like a quick review and stuff like that. Item. So the second thing is the Better Skin Co. is the company, and it's a cleanser mask. It's a Lava Magic, and this one I actually customized it myself. So let me just show you. So this is the product, and it says benefits: buff away dead skin cells, increase the radiance of the skin, and minimize the appearance of pores. Okay, this is a very big thing they are saying, because right now my biggest concern is my pores. My pores started to show on my skin a lot in like past couple of months, especially my nose and this particular area. I never used to have that like sort of a visible pores before, so this is something new, and I'm still in middle of finding the right products and masks and stuff like that which will help to them like disappear or just like be a bit small, not as large as what they are right now. So this is something interesting. I'm very curious to try this as well. This I never used it. I have to keep this in my shower, because this could be a really good product, because you can do 3 things in one go. So this could be a really good item. Again, I'll review this, or when I use it I'll review it on my Instagram stories to let you know guys what I think about it. I do I do make some short skincare product review videos for my Instagram, so do check out my Instagram as well, and I will be putting some short reviews of the items, especially the new items or the brands I never used before. In my box is Human and Kind Skincare with Conscious Body Souffle. Okay, this is the brand. That's the product. It's a body cream. It says lightly whipped for the ultimate in kindness. Human and Kind 2-in-1 light and fluffy body souffle is quickly absorbed to leave your skin feeling super moisturized and soft to the touch. Every time I received a body cream from Fabfit Fun box, I don't know, for some reason it never worked for me. Even if it's for a very dry skin or something, I feel like it doesn't do the same job for me, the kind of effect I want. But I'm not gonna blame the company or the creams, because I do have a very dry skin, and I do suffer from eczema. So most of the time I end up using the La Roche creams, because those are dermatologistically tested, and those are the only ones which works for me because of the eczema, and that's the only one I use for my daughter as well, because she suffers from eczema too. So but this is again something interesting. My box is Aveda Damage Remedy Daily Hair Repair. Instant visible repair, protects from heat styling. Now I love this brand. I have used this brand before when I was back home in England. I absolutely love their shampoos, especially the Energized one. Oh my god, like literally when you wash your hair with that shampoo, it makes you feel like you are in a spa, so you're super relaxed. So I'm quite like excited about this particular item because I do love this brand a lot. Again, it's just a hair repair treatment. Whenever I'll use it, I'll show you how I use it and what do I think about it. And it's a hair towel. Okay, so you know what, this is something I'm very disappointed about because one of my add-ons in my box was actually a hair towel, and I was hoping, seeing my add-on, they won't put this in my box. But so now I have 2 hair towels. Well, I'm not gonna complain about it much because I do needed one, now I have 2, so why complain? If one is dirty, this one can be used. So again, a simple hair towel. When I'll use it, I'll let you know what I think about it. The item in my box is a wallet, and it's from a brand called Coat. Okay, and I did saw this on the website as one of the customized items, and I actually didn't choose this as a customized item for me, but I do like it though, because sometimes I just want to pop out and I don't want to carry a big handbag or anything. So it's pretty good. It's pretty spacious. It has space for around 8 cards, and you can even stick some bills on this side, and it is super sleek and super slim, as you can see. So you can literally just hold it in your hand like a clutch. So this I really liked. That is Wonder Beauty Baggage Claim Gold Eye Mask. I had my eye on these for a very, very, very long time, and I actually wanted to get this over the weekend with my Sephora order, because I was dying to try these because everybody is raving about these products and they were saying how good it is, and I'm always in hunt for looking for some good eye mask which I can just fall in love with. So this could be one of them. Box 2. So the last item in my box is a Mika hair straightener. This was one of the items I customized it myself. So the hair straightener I'm using right now is from GHD, and I've been using GHD hair straighteners for over 11 years now, and I never ever tried any other hair straighteners because I feel like it for my hair, GHD is the best one, and that is the only one which will work. So when I saw this is one of the items which is available on my box, which has like, I can even customize it and get this, I just thought, why not? Like, my box is what, $50 US, so in $50 US I'm getting a full size hair straightener. Why not I just give it a try to this hair straightener and see if I like it or not. And it might give me the opportunity to actually try other brands than GHD, because I have been so loyal to GHD for so long. I even feel scared to even try other brands, and I've seen a lot of other hair straighteners out there. So I just thought I'm gonna risk it and go for it and try this and see how it feels. Right now my hair is super greasy, so I'm not even gonna give it a go and see how it feels, but tomorrow I'm washing my hair, so we'll definitely try this. And I can already see it goes up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. That's a pretty high. That's pretty high. The only thing I'm not liking so far is this dial thing. It's right here, and it's just like you turn it all the way up and you just turn it and it's down to 140, but in between you just have to like figure it out, like guess. There's nothing written in between. So that's the only downside, but again, I'm not going to complain. I'm definitely going to give it a try to this and see if I like it or not. But it's again a full size hair straightener, and it's a slim one, but the GHD I'm using right now is probably the same size as well, a slim one. So I'm definitely going to give it a try to this one and see if I like it. Hope you find this video helpful and you got to see properly everything what was in my box. If you have any questions, you can always leave them in the comment section below. I will be writing down all all the important information in the description box below too. All my social media handles are in the description box below too, so you can just find me from any of the social media handle down there and just join me or be a part of my family and see what I up to every day, or most of the day, or most of the week at least anyway, whenever I'm active. So thank you so much for watching, guys, and as always, don't forget to hit that subscribe button before you leave, and I love you guys so much. Thank you for joining me for this video and for this unboxing. Love you all. Take care. Bye.